Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know how to transfer photos and video from the USB drive to your laptop or PC, then this video is for you. First, you have to connect your USB drive with your PC, so you can find your USB drive section in your PC, upper upside of your PC or in the back side. So probably all PC casing has USB port on its upside, so you can connect it through with your PC and you can find here. So this three is my SSD partition and this one actually my drive. So the local disk G actually my drive. So I'm going to simply transfer some videos and one video and two image from here, for example. So you can simply click on cart or simply click on this button here, right click on it, and you can simply find this cut button here. So simply click on cut, or you can press Ctrl plus X button to on your keyboard to cut that selected medias or files. Now I'm going to paste it in any folder here, for example this folder. So I'm going to paste it here. So here you can see the image and the video has just transferred from the hard drive to hard disk to the USB hard drive or to my PC's SSD. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.